Pumpkin smashing time. Yep.
Hey, sorry, but you just got in my way. I promise, honey, I can feel your pain. And maybe I enjoy it just a little bit. Does that make me insane? Haven't been the same since I expired. Doesn't mean that I plan to retire. And now I have the power to bathe all of you in entertaining fun.
Try smash in the face. Come on. Hold it with both hands.
Guess who's back?
Please don't hit me.
I want more,
Keep going.
and I know I shouldn't.
Okay, hit the pumpkin.
You gotta calm down. Let's see your everything is okay face. No. That's bad. No, don't do that face.
Like this?
No, just stop doing
How
a
about
face.
this?
And stay with me here by the grill. That way your sweat will look more natural.